So today I will show you how I cropped out a person from a photo without any trace in Snapseed. It's a cool kind of edit and I'm sure you could learn from it. And are you new at my channel, please like, subscribe and leave a comment, a positive one. Thanks. Welcome guys to this channel. So our task for today is to remove this person totally and leave no traces like I earlier said. So I would first open my Snapseed and select the image. Once the image is selected, we are going to make use of the double exposure icon to remove the person. If you look carefully, you will see that I used the second image of the green grass to blend the photo or cover the lady, whatever. We'll also repeat this process using a side of the photo to blend with or cover the traces. I hope you understand. Then for this case, you may not require the double exposure. We could use the healing icon and clear it off. Then you can save it. So if you like this video, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell and possibly leave a comment, a positive comment. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.